Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make one of my favorite drinks, the Pina Colada. Now the Pina Colada goes back to 1954, back in Puerto Rico. It was invented at the Caribe Hilton. Now there's a little bit of debate about who invented it. Two bartenders claim that they invented it. The first bartender's name was Ramon Manchito Marrero, and the second bartender's name was Ricardo Garcia. Now, Ricardo Garcia has a little more interesting story to his. Now, back in 1954, there was a coconut cutter strike, and at the Caribe Hilton, one of the most popular drinks was made with rum, cream of coconut, and crushed ice, and they served it in a cut coconut. Because of the strike of the coconut cutters, they couldn't get the cut coconut any longer, so he started putting the drink into cut pineapple. And people really liked it, and then he decided he would start adding some strained pineapple juice to it, thus the birth of the Pina Colada, according to his story. Now, whether it was Ramon Marrero or Ricardo Garcia, really, I can't tell you. All I know is I thank whoever did it because I just love Pina Coladas. They're a fantastic drink. They always remind me of the summer, and they always remind me of the Caribbean, no matter where I am and what time of year I'm drinking them. They're so simple to make. So the ingredients for this Pina Colada we're going to use are 3 ounces of rum, 4 ounces cream of coconut, which is commonly Coco Lopez. Now I actually have a recipe out there for homemade Coco Lopez, and that's what we'll be using for this drink. 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and 1 cup of crushed ice, and 1 cup of frozen pineapple. Now a lot of recipes will just use 2 cups of crushed ice. I like to do 1 cup crushed ice, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, because as the ice melts, it tends to dilute your drink, but if you use frozen pineapple, it helps keep that drink with that slushy feeling without such a dilution. So let's go ahead and get started here. Everyone's favorite drink with those great flavors of pineapple, coconut, and rum. Alrighty, we're going to start out by adding 3 ounces of rum. I like to use a white rum, and one of the better white rums out there for a low price is going to be Bacardi. So go ahead and start out with 3 ounces of your favorite white rum. And then we're going to add 4 ounces of cream of coconut. Now I have homemade cream of coconut, and I'll put a link in the video so you can go and click on that to get that recipe for the homemade cream of coconut. I'll also be a link in the notes of the video. All right, so 4 ounces of cream of coconut. Four ounces of a pineapple juice. Now, if you have fresh squeezed pineapple juice, that's even better. But if you don't have fresh squeezed, store-bought's fine. Next, we'll add our 1 cup of ice and a cup of frozen pineapple. Okay, let's get that going on the blender here for just a minute. Okay, we'll get that going in the blender for a minute. Okay, now that's done, we'll go ahead and pour that into a glass here. And you want to go ahead and use the traditional tulip glass and also hurricane glass. Get that poured in there. Throw in a little straw and some pineapple with a cherry for garnishment. All right, let's have a taste. All right, how's the taste? Oh, divine. This won't last long. Cheers to you. Thanks for joining us today in My Low Country Living as we made homemade Pina Coladas. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like the video. Also, please subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks.